Welcome to 22 Tech Zoom. Today's video captures something extraordinary, the transformation of raw land into a forever home. After serving their country with honor as Army officers, Amy and Matt are embarking on their most personal mission yet, building the place where their future will unfold. They won't be making this journey alone. Matt's father, Smitty, brings 4 decades of home-building expertise to the project. His seasoned hands and keen eye will help guide every decision, turning architectural drawings into solid craftsmanship. Once the site is cleared, heavy machinery reshapes the earth according to precise architectural specifications. The foundation area is excavated to exact depths, and a compacted gravel layer is spread across the base, the first step in creating a rock-solid foundation. Formwork takes shape around the perimeter, creating temporary molds that will define the foundation walls. Steel rebar is carefully positioned inside, creating an internal skeleton that will give the concrete the strength to support thousands of pounds while resisting ground movement for generations. After the perimeter concrete cures, the interior receives its own gravel base, leveled to match the foundation height. This layer does double duty, providing structural stability while creating drainage pathways that keep moisture away from the home. The team begins stacking insulated concrete forms around the foundation's edge. These innovative blocks serve as permanent formwork and insulation in one, locking in energy efficiency from day one. Rebar threads through the hollow cores, reinforcing every vertical inch of the structure. Inside the foundation perimeter, the ground is meticulously leveled and compacted. A grid of steel rebar is assembled and tied together, forming a reinforcement mesh that will prevent cracks and distribute loads evenly across the slab. Fresh concrete flows into place, spreading across the entire foundation floor. The crew works with precision tools and laser levels, screeding and smoothing until the surface is perfectly flat from every angle. The critical base upon which everything else will stand. Concrete fills the insulated forms, rising steadily along the walls. As it's placed, vibration tools eliminate air pockets, ensuring maximum density and strength. Every section must be completed while the material is still workable. This phase demands perfect coordination, speed without haste, precision without hesitation. The concrete has a limited working window, and the team moves with practiced efficiency to ensure a flawless cure. Heavy steel beams are positioned across the foundation, creating the primary support system for everything above. These industrial-grade girders will carry the weight of multiple floors, furniture, and inhabitants for decades without flexing or failing. With steel in place, Wooden floor joists are mounted perpendicular to the beams, creating a grid that will support the first floor. The house is beginning its vertical climb. Oriented strand board sheathing covers the joists, transforming the skeletal frame into a solid working platform. This subfloor will eventually be hidden beneath insulation and finished flooring. The exterior foundation walls receive a self-adhesive waterproofing membrane that wraps every corner and seals every seam. This protective barrier is the home's first defense against groundwater and soil moisture. With waterproofing complete, concrete block construction begins on the exterior walls. Lumber arrives and wall framing begins. Vertical studs are spaced precisely and connected by horizontal plates to form rigid panels. Each section is assembled on the deck, then tilted upright and anchored securely to the floor. For the first time, the house reveals its true dimensions. Rooms take shape, hallways emerge, and the floor plan becomes three-dimensional reality. As framing progresses, structural headers are installed above window and door openings. These critical supports transfer the weight from above around each opening, maintaining structural integrity throughout the building. Another concrete pour is on the schedule. The garage floor receives a fresh gravel base, leveled and ready for concrete. Concrete flows across the garage, filling every square foot. After leveling, a power trowel polishes the surface to a smooth, durable finish. Substantial beams cap the first floor walls, creating the platform for the second story. Floor joists span between these beams, and oriented strand board locks everything together. The second floor is born. The same framing process repeats on the second level. Walls rise, openings are carved out for windows and doors, and OSB sheathing encases the frame, creating a surface ready for weather barriers and final finishes. These same boards will later wrap the first floor exterior walls as well. Just enjoy watching the process unfold. If you're still with us and enjoying this build, hit that like button and subscribe. It's the best way to support projects like this. With walls complete on both levels, the crew builds the ceiling structure for the second floor, using the same beam and joist system that's worked flawlessly below. The structure has reached its maximum height. Time to close it in. The ridge beam goes up first, forming the spine of the roof where all the rafters will converge. Rafters are cut and positioned at precise angles, extending from the ridge beam down to the exterior walls. The skeletal profile of the roof emerges against the sky. With the roof frame in place, OSB sheathing is carefully installed over the rafters, forming a strong and stable deck. This layer provides the foundation for all upcoming roofing materials, ensuring durability, weather resistance, and structural integrity for the entire build. On the front facade, the construction team installs built-up rafters, two sturdy beams separated by wooden spacers, to create an engineered design that provides exceptional strength and stability compared to standard solid lumber. Each joint, corner, and transition point is treated with self-adhesive waterproofing to prevent leaks and protect against moisture infiltration. Great care is taken to ensure these vulnerable areas are tightly sealed for long-term durability. Once that's complete, a waterproof underlayment is rolled across the entire roof deck, forming a continuous moisture barrier. This layer shields the structure from rain and humidity, ensuring the home remains dry and secure even before the final shingles are installed. The walls are carefully wrapped with a self-adhesive waterproof membrane, firmly applied over the OSB sheathing to seal every seam, joint, and edge. This sticky barrier creates a durable weatherproof envelope that protects the structure from wind-driven rain while still allowing it to breathe. With this layer complete, the home is now ready for the next stage, installing the exterior siding and trim for both protection and visual appeal. Staircase construction starts with the mid-landing, a transitional platform that adds both function and design, breaking up the climb while creating an architectural highlight between floors. Once the landing is secure, the team installs the stringers, the angled supports responsible for carrying the entire weight of the stairs. Each notch is measured and cut with precision to maintain perfect step height and depth for safety and comfort. With the framework complete, treads and risers are fitted in place, turning the structure into a solid, usable staircase. This careful process is repeated on every level, ensuring each floor is seamlessly and securely connected. Outside, solid vertical posts are anchored securely into place, forming the foundation for a spacious covered patio. Horizontal beams stretch across the top of each post, creating a sturdy frame capable of supporting the weight of a full roof structure. Once the rafters are installed across the beams, OSB decking and waterproofing will be added, transforming the framework into a durable, weather-protected outdoor living space ideal for relaxing or entertaining year-round. The final stage of roof protection starts with starter strips placed carefully along the edges. Asphalt shingles are then installed in overlapping rows, working from the bottom up to ensure proper water runoff. Each shingle is nailed precisely into place, with extra care given to valleys, vents, and ridgelines where watertight sealing is essential for long-term durability. To protect selected windows from harsh rain and moisture, small roof overhangs are carefully built above them. Ledger boards are securely fastened to the wall, while rafters extend outward to form the frame. Each mini roof receives the same professional treatment as the main structure, including OSB sheathing, waterproof underlayment, and perfectly matched shingles for a clean, durable finish that blends seamlessly. Inside, partition walls are framed to divide the open layout into functional rooms, creating definition and structure throughout the interior. At the same time, collar ties are installed between opposing rafters near the roof peak. These horizontal supports counter the outward force of the roof load, keeping the wall stable and securely in place for long-term structural strength. Before window installation begins, each opening is carefully prepped for a precise fit. Sills are cleaned, leveled, and covered with a flexible flashing membrane that ties seamlessly into the weather barrier, forming a watertight seal. Months earlier, the windows were custom ordered to match exact rough opening dimensions, ensuring a flawless fit. Once on site, each window slides perfectly into place, secured tightly with fasteners through the frame for strength, stability, and long-lasting protection against the elements. The team begins crafting cornice returns, elegant architectural elements that provide a smooth visual transition between the eaves and the gable end fascia. Positioned just beyond the corner boards, these detailed features demand precise measurements, careful carpentry, and reinforced structural backing for long-term stability. Once complete, vinyl soffit panels are installed along the underside of the roof overhang, sealing the space between the wall and fascia. This finishing touch not only boosts curb appeal, but also shields the structure from moisture damage and pests. With all plumbing materials on site, the team begins by marking precise drain locations throughout the house, ensuring each fixture will connect seamlessly to the main system. Access holes are cut through the floors, allowing pipes and fittings to be installed accurately. The plumbing vent stack rises through the roof, providing essential airflow to maintain proper drainage. Around each roof penetration, pipe collars are installed to ensure weatherproofing and prevent leaks. Water supply lines are insulated to protect against freezing and condensation, then routed along basement joists and through walls to the central manifold. Serving as the mission control for the water system, the manifold distributes water to each fixture, with individual valves allowing repairs in one area without disrupting service to the entire home. Proper HVAC installation follows to ensure year-round comfort, healthy indoor air quality, and energy efficiency. Where ductwork passes through living spaces, the crew builds frames around it for drywall attachment. Once complete, the ductwork is fully concealed behind smooth walls and ceilings, providing efficient climate control while maintaining a clean, polished interior finish throughout the home. Choosing the right front door took time, but the perfect one was finally found. Precise positioning in the rough opening and secure fastening to the framing are key during installation. Every detail matters, as this door sets the tone for the entire home and makes the very first impression visitors will see and remember. Every detail of the electrical system was meticulously planned long before installation began, covering lighting layouts, fixture types, dimmer controls, and specialized outlets for appliances. In the stairwell, where a grand chandelier will one day shine, reinforced mounting blocks and a heavy-duty ceiling fan bracket are carefully installed to ensure secure weight support. Across the entire home, wiring snakes through walls and ceilings, linking outlets, switches, lighting, and smoke detectors into one seamless, efficient network. Outside, an electric meter is mounted to measure and monitor power usage, ensuring everything runs safely and efficiently for years to come. A new utility pole is set to be installed closer to the house, reducing the need for an extended underground connection to the old pole. A 3-foot deep trench is carefully dug from the electric meter to the new pole's location, where durable conduit is laid to protect the wiring. From the transformer deep in the woods, a heavy triplex cable is pulled through the trees to the new pole, then routed underground through the conduit to reach the meter. With this setup complete, the home is securely and efficiently connected to the power grid, ensuring reliable energy flow and minimizing future maintenance issues. Focus now shifts to energy efficiency, ensuring the home stays comfortable in every season while reducing heating and cooling expenses. High-performance spray foam insulation is applied throughout the walls and roof cavities, expanding to seal even the smallest gaps and forming an airtight thermal barrier. Once the foam cures, fiberglass bat insulation is installed inside the interior walls and layered over the foam in exterior sections. This combination not only enhances overall thermal efficiency, but also provides superior soundproofing between rooms, creating a quieter, cozier, and more energy-conscious living environment. The crew excavates a storm basin, meticulously designed by a civil engineer to manage all on-site rainwater runoff. At its center lies a 5-foot deep infiltration bed that serves as a natural percolation pond, efficiently absorbing excess water, reducing erosion, and preventing potential flooding. An excavator carves out the site for a permanent 1,000-gallon propane tank, ensuring precise depth and alignment. Once the tank is positioned, fine screenings are placed around it to provide proper drainage and protect it during backfilling. A propane line is then installed, accompanied by a metal tracer wire laid above it, allowing for safe and easy detection during any future excavation or maintenance work. This careful installation ensures long-term reliability, safety, and efficient fuel delivery for the entire home. A crane lifts the cast iron bathtub through an upper floor opening, much easier than carrying it upstairs. The same crane hoists stacks of drywall panels to the second floor, saving significant time and labor. Drywall panels are secured to ceiling joists first, with circular cutouts made for recessed lighting fixtures. Wall panels follow, each one cut to fit precisely around windows, doors, outlets, and switches. Once everything is hung, the taping and mudding process begins. Joint compound covers every seam and fastener, creating perfectly smooth transitions. After drying, sanding, priming, and painting will complete the transformation. To build the deck with precision and efficiency, the crew organizes their work into well-coordinated tasks. Lumber is measured, cut, and neatly staged around the construction site for quick access. Heavy support beams are carefully positioned and bolted to their posts, forming the structural backbone of the deck. A sturdy ledger strip is secured to the ledger board, and floor joists are set in place, spanning the frame to create a solid foundation. Above the ledger board, a narrow slit is cut to install metal flashing, an essential waterproof barrier that prevents moisture from seeping behind the framing. The final step of framing includes adding blocking between joists, reinforcing the structure, and providing stable support for the boardwalk-style composite decking layout. Two fastening techniques are used: visible face screws, concealed with decorative plugs for a polished look, and a pneumatic flooring nailer with built-in spacing for faster, consistent installation across the main deck surface. The home's exterior features a blend of lap siding and board and batten profiles, adding depth and timeless architectural character. Before installation, a drain plane is securely stapled to the walls, creating a breathable barrier that allows air circulation behind the siding and ensures any trapped moisture can dry quickly, protecting the structure. The original rough openings were designed for 9-foot garage doors, but are adjusted to 8 feet to help reduce overall costs. Inside the garage, sturdy goalpost supports are added to ensure proper structural reinforcement. Door bucks are then installed, forming precise, squared openings that eliminate the need for trimming once the new doors are fitted, ensuring a clean, professional finish. Next, the metal porch roof is installed with precision and care. Textured black panels are selected for their sleek, low-glare finish and modern aesthetic. Each panel neatly overlaps the previous seam, creating a watertight barrier, and is securely fastened directly into the roof decking, ensuring long-lasting strength and style. The porch posts are first coated with plaster to achieve a smooth, refined base, then finished with a fresh layer of paint for an elegant appearance. Once the posts are completed, focus shifts to installing the deck railing, an essential safety element that also enhances the porch's visual appeal and defines the outdoor space beautifully. As exterior work progresses, a drilling crew arrives to access the property's groundwater supply. Using powerful equipment, they bore through layers of dense soil and solid bedrock. reaching depths beyond 180 feet. The process is slow and demanding, but persistence pays off when they finally tap into a steady, reliable aquifer. A protective casing is installed, and a trench connects the well to the house. Inside, the line hooks up to a pressure pump system. With a flow rate of 25 gallons per minute, the well provides abundant water. Filtration equipment will be added to complete the system. Inside, finishing details begin adding character and warmth. Window casings are crafted from poplar wood. Baseboards with decorative trim caps, an upgraded detail that elevates the entire space, are installed and painted. Doors arrive for all 30 openings throughout the house. The crew preps each opening, installs jambs, carefully shims hinges for perfect alignment, and hangs each door with attention to detail. One of the most striking decorative elements is the installation of faux wood beams across the living room ceiling. Pre-stained with a semi-transparent finish, they add warmth, texture, and architectural interest that perfectly complements the home's character. After months of construction, the yard is left rutted, uneven, and muddy. To restore it, a professional excavator regrades the entire property, smoothing contours and improving drainage. Truckloads of rich topsoil are then spread evenly, creating the perfect foundation for new grass to grow. Once the soil is ready, a landscaping crew applies hydroseeding, a precise blend of grass seed, mulch, fertilizer, soil enhancers, and water sprayed evenly under pressure from a specialized tank truck. This process ensures quick germination and uniform growth. Over the next 2 months, the transformation unfolds beautifully as vibrant green grass takes root, turning the once disturbed ground into a lush, manicured lawn. The property now radiates curb appeal, truly becoming the inviting home it was always meant to be. The kitchen's design vision was set from the start. Rich navy cabinetry complemented by striking gold hardware. A large island with a deep farmhouse sink and bright quartz countertops waiting to be installed. Each element was chosen for both beauty and function. As appliances like the range hood, double wall oven, and refrigerator are positioned, the space rapidly transforms. What was once a bare framework now begins to feel alive, evolving into the true heart of the home where daily life will soon unfold. Tongue and groove hardwood flooring is selected for installation, one of the most anticipated phases of the entire project. Once laid, the entire floor is sanded smooth to prepare for finishing. As sanding reveals the wood's natural beauty, the finishing decision becomes crucial. After considering darker stains, midtones, and white washes, a white wash is chosen, a finish that highlights the wood's warmth and grain pattern while exceeding all expectations. The staircase receives its final touch with the installation of balusters. Alignment points are carefully marked using a laser level, ensuring perfect spacing. Holes are drilled at precise intervals, and each baluster is set securely in place, fastened with decorative knuckles at both the top and bottom, adding a refined, elegant finish to the staircase. A blue-core rigid foam board system with a pre-pitched shower base streamlines waterproofing and tile installation. Proper pitch toward the drain is often the trickiest part of bathroom floor tiling, but this system ensures a precise, reliable slope, creating a leak-free, long-lasting solution. With the shower base in place, wall tiles are carefully installed, using spacers to maintain even grout lines for a clean, precise finish. Every element aligns perfectly, making the bathroom both stunning and highly functional, blending style and practicality seamlessly. Every home is crafted with care and love, not just for the people who will live there, but also for the loyal pets who bring joy and companionship to daily life. Months of hard work, unwavering dedication, and the support of family and friends have turned Amy and Matt's vision into reality. This house is more than just lumber, concrete, and nails. It is a true home. It is a place where memories will be made, where loved ones will gather, and where ordinary moments will become treasured experiences for years to come. If this journey has inspired you, be sure to subscribe to the channel.